Ondas just announced earnings, and as you can see on the chart in front of us, the stock is soaring higher as a result. In this video, we're going to go over some of the key points from this report, go over some of the numbers that have catalyzed this near 30% move, and of course, we'll also be diving into the charts. I'll tell you what I'm seeing as far as technicals are concerned. And the exciting stuff, I want to talk about where I see this stock going in terms of price action on a short, medium, and longer term time horizon. If you want to gain value from this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here, and of course, let me know in the comments below if you're bullish on Ondas, or if not, let me know what you're bullish on in this market. Crazy times. There's always something to be excited about. Excited to talk about Ondas. We made a great trade here. We took some profits today, and I think the profits will keep coming given some of the price targets we're going to discuss. So let's dive in. My name's Royce Jacob. Welcome back to Waves Capital. All right, I know trading view is the fun part. We'll get around to the technicals soon, but fundamentals first. And even before we go over some of the key points from this earnings report, let's just quickly remind ourselves of what Ondas is as a company. So, as always, I'm just going to read over this, but as always, I recommend you guys go into these companies' pages, check out their websites, see how they describe themselves in their own words, and go to their investors tab, look over that whole thing, especially if like trading a company, you want to do this. But if you're long a company, if you're invested in a company, this is pretty much, this is required homework. So mission critical networks, autonomous drone infrastructure, counter UAV, and AI. Ondas Inc. is a leading provider of autonomous systems and private wireless solutions through its business units, Ondas Autonomous Systems, OAS, Ondas Capital, and Ondas Networks. Ondas Technologies offers a powerful combination of aerial intelligence and next-gen connectivity to enhance security, operational efficiency, and data-driven decision-making across essential industries. So once again, we're not going to spend too much time here. I do recommend you guys go check out their website if you are trading or invested in the stock like we are at WavesCap. Okay, so that's that. Let's go over some of the key points from this report. I'm going to keep this short and sweet. There are plenty of articles that go over a little more specifics, but I feel that the key points are all that's necessary for the purposes of this video. So Ondas stock soars after beat and raise in Q1. Ondas sees front-loading of expenses as necessary to support growth. The company's results were driven by strong demand for its products in the defense sector. First quarter revenue came in at $50.1 million, ahead of the consensus estimate. Full year revenue guidance raised to at least $390 million from $375 million previously expected. That's a very impressive bump to guidance. And always remember, you guys, when it comes to earnings, it's not so much the previous quarter that matters. The previous quarter, of course, does matter, the numbers and the revenue you see in the quarter being reported. But really what earnings trade off of and what you should look for and expect to trade earnings off of anytime you ever trade earnings is the guidance, is that forward outlook. And this is a very, very impressive bump to that forward guidance and outlook. So I think that is, along with something else that we're going to discuss in a second here, the primary culprit or the primary positive catalyst for this massive move we're seeing today. To close this out, Ondas Autonomous Systems unit is expected to reach adjusted EBITDA profitability by Q1. Anytime you see the word profitability mentioned in an earnings report regarding a company that is incredibly unprofitable, realistically, Ondas is technically unprofitable. They burned a whole lot of money in the last quarter, but anything that's growing revenue exponentially like Ondas is, and en route to profitability, that's a very good sign, and that's another aspect that investors like to see. So while we're here, to segue into what I'm going to talk about here and read through, this is the newsletter I sent out this morning. This is my trade alert. Before we go over what I'm about to talk about here, it's important to look at this candle, okay? There's a volume, I guess it's not necessarily a candle, but just this volume indicator where my cursor is hovering. That is staggering volume, and as you can see here, volume, the trading day isn't even close to over yet, and we've already traded pretty much 161 million shares on an average of 55. So call it 3x trading volume, which is absolutely insane for a company. You're looking at like $170 billion in shares traded. And that's pretty insane for a company with a market cap of $5.4 billion. And I think the primary reason we're seeing so much volume today isn't just the excitement, isn't just, some very impressive objective numbers out of their earnings report. It's the fact that this company, and I'm going to reference yesterday's Trade Alert newsletter, or Price Targets newsletter. This is my second newsletter that I wrote yesterday. It's the fact that Ondas' short interest, as you can see in front of us, was at 34%. So 34% is obnoxiously high. There are very few companies in the entire market with a short interest of their float above 34%. So that is absolutely insane. You can see short interest is actually around 35, 36%. The short float is 34%. So this is crazy short interest. And if you're familiar with short squeezes at all, then you would know that this is the perfect setup moving into earnings for a short squeeze. In yesterday's newsletter, I established a very meaningful call position. You can see here, this is the chart I included yesterday, May 13th. I have all the newsletters in the Waves archive on Teachable, so you can go. we got the receipts, but we called for this. We called for the short squeeze. I think we're seeing it, and I'm really excited to see some of these upcoming price targets come to fruition, given this inverse head and shoulders that is currently in play. So very excited to see this. Before we dive into the charts, if you guys do want these daily newsletters, if you want, all of my daily trade alerts, a complete breakdown of my personal portfolio, if you want to see what is included in this call options portfolio, not going to show it out of respect for existing members, then that is the first link in the description or in the pinned comment of this video. It's my complete portfolio, daily trade alerts, email newsletters. I do have a long-term portfolio, but the daily trade alerts focus on swing trading options. That's what I do. I swing trade options contracts on a medium, we'll call it a medium to slightly longer term time horizon. So anywhere from 2 weeks to 6 months out is how I structure my options portfolio. If you guys are interested, if you want to join the winning team, again, it's the first link in the description. $15 a month, $40 for every 3 months. Had it the same price for 5 years since I started this thing, so I take pride in that. And again, I appreciate it if you join. But if not, no worries. I still hope that you gain some value from this video. And I hope you're making some money with Ondas. Let's close it out on TradingView talk about this inverse head and shoulders, and then we'll zoom out a little more. So first things first, I did take some significant profits today. And, it's regardless of whether you believe something can continue to run higher, which I evidently do based upon the analysis I'm about to give. If you see a move like this with a volume like this, and especially if you're trading call options, it's not only greedy, but I believe it's foolish to not take some profits off the table. Okay, realize some of those gains. You can say you got lucky, you can say you called it, regardless of whether it's luck or skill, just take some profits off the table. You will always, it's very rare that you will regret taking profits, but if things turn and your position ends up going to zero, then you will absolutely regret not taking some of those profits that you should have taken by not getting greedy. Okay, so don't get greedy, lock in some profits. Always say that. We'll always continue to say that. But I do still believe that we will climb higher. So first things first, we do have multiple lines. We have conservative, semi-conservative, and not even absolute, but what I would consider to be absolute resistance on this trading range / slight ascending channel pattern. And this morning, the reason I've taken significant profits is because my first level of resistance was tested. You can see now we're being rejected by the center. Literally, as I record this, we're being rejected by the center line of resistance here. Greedy traders are going to look at they're going to draw this trend line. They're going to be waiting for Ondas to hit this to take profits. Nope, that's why we look at these conservative levels of resistance, and that's why I and hopefully you trade off of those as well. Okay, so we're making our way up here. It's no surprise that we're seeing resistance, but I am seeing an inverse head and shoulders pattern shaping up. And this is bullish. So we'll go to daily candles real quick as we zoom out. Before we talk about this inverse head and shoulders, it's also very, very promising to see that we are above all 4 major daily moving averages. So we have the 100, we have 50, and we have 20. Okay, I think it's actually 100, 20, 50. But regardless, we are above all 4 major daily moving averages, which is very promising to see. And just given a strong fundamental catalyst in a bullish earnings report, it's likely that this sparks a rally even higher. Okay, given just all of the bullish technical momentum following a bullish catalyst. Okay, so do we rip straight up to what I would consider to be the resolution point of this inverse head and shoulders range? It's absolutely possible, but I will say I think it may be a bit likelier that we travel sideways for a bit. Maybe we see a short-term correction. When you get short squeezes, which I do think is, as I alluded to earlier, a pretty major culprit in this massive volume spike we're seeing and this price action spike, it usually cools down a little bit. And to be completely honest, I wouldn't be entirely surprised if Ondas does see a red day going into the weekend. So just be wary of that. But I do think after, maybe a couple sessions to the side, mirror out this opposing shoulder range, I do think this inverse head and shoulders pattern can take us up anywhere from, $13 to $13.50. So can it take us up to these higher levels around $14.40, $14.50? Absolutely. Could we make our way up to the levels of resistance on this long-term ascending channel? I absolutely think that's possible. And those would be my longer term targets as well. Just if you guys, again, simple, anyone with a chart, anyone with trading view and fingers can draw this. You got a conservative resistance here on this long-term channel. You have absolute resistance right here. Is it possible that over the coming months we can make our way up to $18, $19, $20, $21? I do think it is. But in terms of how I'm trading this, how I'm choosing to trade it, again, trying to get just greedy enough to make some money, but not getting too greedy in order to lock in some gains and sleep well at night. I'm going to be targeting in the short to medium term. So over the next 1 to 2 weeks, this 13 to 13.50 range, that is where I'll be closing out the remaining position that I have on board. And that's Ondas. Is this a cool company? Do I think this will be much higher than it is 3 to 5 years ago, or 3 to 5, 10 years from now? Absolutely. But is this market pretty insane? And, it absolutely is, and I feel that you should, take profits when you are given the opportunity to do so. So that's my take. Please let me know what you think about Ondas or, again, any other stock that you're excited about in the comments below. I'll see you downstairs. Thank you for watching, and until next time, always remember, take action, make waves. Peace.